हेलो दोस्तों, हमारी किड्स गेमिंग वीडियो पर आपका स्वागत है।
We haven't worked for a long time. Let's get to work. What should I cook then?
Let's have a cooking skill competition. Let's see who is best at cooking.
Yeah! Great! Who is the first?
Clay pot. Ahem. I am Clay pot. I am good at cooking braised sirloin with carrots and braised chicken with mushrooms. Braised sirloin with carrots. Let me get the ingredients ready first. Carrot. Be careful not to cut your hand. Let's start cooking braised sirloin with carrots. Water. Carrot. Sirloin. Simmer over a low heat. That's it. Simmer slowly. Slowly. All done. Add some salt. Okay, let's scoop it out. I am dirty all over. Let me take a shower before getting on stage. This is braised sirloin with carrots. Thank you. Thank you.
Yahoo! It's my turn to get on stage. Watch me. Hi y'all, I'm Stockpot. I can cook tomato and egg soup as well as noodles. Noodles. It's time to get the ingredients ready. Tofu. Be careful not to cut your hand. Vegetable. Let's cook delicious noodles. Water. Noodles. Side dish. Salt. The boiling soup is really hot. Please be careful. All done. Scoop it out into a bowl. I'm dirty all over after cooking. Let me take a shower first. Please enjoy the delicious noodles. Yeah, I am amazing.